Welcome back to the Center on Technology and Disabilities new series on supporting local education agency and state education agencies' use of research findings to support students with disabilities. This is video 6, Using Findings to Improve Practice. In previous videos, we introduced various research designs and recommendations for writing good research questions. Once data is in hand and been analyzed, how can and should data be used to improve practice? First, SEAs and LEAs collect more data than can be properly analyzed and then used by teachers and staff. If your SEA or LEA is collecting data, but not using it for any specific purpose, it might make sense to revisit the reasons why the decision was originally made to collect those data, and then further reflect on why they're not being used. As noted in previous videos, LEAs and SEAs are in great position to analyze extant data sets to address research questions. However, the LEA or SEA may lack resources to analyze data in a timely manner. When the LEA or SEA has data, but not the time or capacity to analyze and disseminate trends to stakeholders, partnerships with higher education faculty may be appropriate. The university or agency-based researchers will likely be able to leverage their resources to do the analyses and provide leaders with free reports and recommendations. When data are available, LEA or SEA leaders should hold meetings to carefully consider implications of the findings. The results of these analyses may lead to a need to reshuffle existing staff or make new hires. Whether reports are generated internally or by external researchers, we as administrators and leaders do not always do a great job of ensuring interpretations and implications of data flow back to the classroom level. LEA and SEA officials have to make difficult choices about where to invest limited resources to help disseminate findings from research studies and help personnel in classrooms make changes and improvements. It is therefore logical that LEAs and SEAs should invest resources to provide teachers with professional development to help them improve in areas noted as concerns following reviews of extant data or following results of other research projects. The professional development should be tightly tied to findings of research studies. When teachers reflect on student data, they're able to recognize key areas of need. When teachers do not know how to support students' needs, professional development is needed. Thus, the professional development that is provided should be tightly tied to students' needs. Finally, teachers need feedback on their performance to implement new practices or tools with fidelity and sustain use. This is an opportunity for further research to be conducted. In summary, if you and your colleagues are going to the trouble of collecting data, it's only logical that you expend the necessary resources to analyze and understand those data. The results may indicate new personnel are needed, new thinking is needed, or you may find things are working out pretty well. But when improvement is indicated, drawing logical lines between the data and the professional development offerings you put together for staff is critical. Thanks for watching, and please continue using videos from this series.